You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today wants to do expansion of algebraic expression, and I want to encourage you to watch my previous videos on this algebraic expression. We want to expand the following expression. So number one, we have x plus 3 in bracket of x plus 5. What we need to do is to open the bracket. And by the time we open the bracket, we can decide to open the first one or probably open the second one based on our choice. So if I open the first one now, we are going to have x in bracket of x plus 5. It remains plus 3 that I have not used here, so I'm going to have it here, plus 3 in bracket of x plus 5. And we are going to open the bracket the second time. S times x will give us s squared, plus x times 5 will give us 5s, plus 3 times x will give us plus 3x, plus times plus will give us plus 3 times 5 will give us 15. Then by the time we simplify further, we are going to have plus 5s plus 3s, which will give us plus 8s plus 15. That's the solution to question 1. Let's solve question 2. 4 plus 5a in bracket into another bracket 3b plus a. So we are going to open the bracket as well. And when we open the bracket, we are going to have 4 in bracket of 3b plus a plus 5a in bracket of 3b plus a. Remember that I opened the first one. So we are going to simplify further. 4 times 3b will give us 12b, plus 4 times a will give us 4a, plus 5a times 3b. 5 times 3 will give us 15, a times b will give us ab, plus times plus will give us plus, and 5a times a will give us 5a squared. So the next thing to do is to collect like times. But if you go through this, you will discover that there is none of them are like times. So you can rearrange it by having 5a squared plus 4a plus 12b plus 15ab. Let's solve the third one. Number 3, we have 2a minus b into brackets 3a plus 2b. So we are going to open the bracket as well. And when we open the bracket, we are going to have 2a into 3a plus 2b minus b into 3a plus 2b. And the result will be 2a times 3a will give us 6a squared, plus 2a times 2b will give us 4ab, minus b times 3a will give us minus 3ab, minus times plus will give us minus, b times 2b will give us 2b squared. If you look at it critically, you will discover that plus 4ab minus 3ab, they are like times. So we are going to simplify further. Then we are going to have 6a squared plus ab minus 2b squared, because plus 4ab minus 3ab will give us plus 4a. Let's solve question 4. We have s minus 3 in bracket of s minus 3. Then this will give us, when we open the brackets, we are going to have s in bracket of s minus 3 minus 3 in bracket of s minus 3. And our result will be s times s, which is s squared. S times minus 3 will give us minus 3s, minus 3 times s will give us minus 3s, minus times minus will give us plus, 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we can simplify further. We are going to have s squared minus 3s will give us minus 6s plus 9. Then the last question for today. We have 6 plus s in bracket of 3 minus s. All we need to do is to open the bracket. And after opening the bracket, we are going to have 6 in bracket of 3 minus x plus x in bracket of 3 minus x. So we are going to have 6 times 3, which will give us 18. 6 times minus s will give us minus 6s, plus s times 3 will give us plus 3s, plus times minus will give us minus, and s times s will give us s squared. So minus 6s plus 3x, they are like times, so we can simplify them. So we are going to have 18 minus 3s minus s squared. So that will be our final answer. And if you like, you can rewrite it as minus s squared minus 3s plus 18. Thank you.